So we're on the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we will soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? So we're on our way, yeah. And our friends join, turn on, 'cause today's the day they all will join. It's great. We're really on our way, yeah.
Good morning. It is Monday, December 28th, 2020, and it's looking a little gloomy and soggy out there. Hopefully you didn't miss the previous vlog. We stayed at Harrah's Cherokee Valley River Casino and Hotel. Tom went down while I was still sleeping and went to Starbucks. And, do y'all recognize this? The Earl. We're excited about the Earl being here because we only normally get it at Disney Springs. Other than if we go to the other Harrah's Cherokee Casino, they have one too. And then he bought me a peppermint frappuccino. Okay, I guess we got a pack. All right, so we really actually enjoyed this room. Surprisingly, it was extremely quiet. Never heard another person, never heard housekeeping this morning. And granted, we are at the end of the hall, but we'll definitely be back. All right, see what I mean? We're at the end of the hall, and I just realized we never came and checked out the view from the end. So like we're at the end of the building. Oh, wow, we missed out.
Oh, this is pretty.
This is a nice view. So this is the road we came up on, and right here is like the main road. That's really nice. So totally glad that I filmed their Christmas tree yesterday because they took it down last night. Did you notice that? The Christmas tree's gone. So I'm glad we also filmed those Christmas balls because I'm sure they took those down. So anyway, this is very small compared to the other Harrah's Cherokee Casino, but we really are enjoying it. So we will not be here long. We're just kind of like waiting to go eat lunch is what it boils down to. Ooh, that's a good one. He just won $23, guys. Oh, that's wonderful. That's good. So we played for about, I don't know, 45 minutes maybe. And it's lunchtime, so we're curious of the prices compared to like Disney Springs. They have Panda Express, Moe's, Nathan's. All right, looks like they're same prices. So I always get the holiday turkey, and it is $7.49. Tom normally gets holiday turkey or the Hawaiian, I think. I don't see the Hawaiian up there.
It's in the bottom and the middle, right underneath holiday turkey.
Oh, yes, it is. Hawaiian barbecue. Which one you getting?
What are you getting?
Holiday turkey. What are you getting?
I'll probably get the Hawaiian barbecue.
Yeah, we don't stray very much. The chips they give you here are Deep River, and since they're not running the fountain drinks because of the virus, you only get a bottled drink, which sucks, means I don't get a refill. And my cranberry holiday turkey is without the cranberry sauce. Like, this is totally not going to be the same, but I mean, she asked me, she said, oh, I forgot to tell you, do you want something different? And I'm like, no, give it to me anyway. They also have author treachers. It's a tongue twister. Fish and chips, never heard of it. Have you heard of them? He nodded yes in his big bite. It's 12:52. We're getting ready to leave. It's a little chillier today than yesterday, a little more gloomier. It's 44. So let's talk
Let's sip and then we'll talk
about what this casino and hotel is doing, basically the casino is doing towards the virus, the precautions. So first thing, probably half the machines are turned off. And
I would say the first thing is when you're driving in, all traffic gets routed the same way.
well, we said that yesterday.
Oh, we did?
Because I showed you, took the temperature and everything. So talked about that yesterday.
Okay.
You need to watch the previous vlog to see more, to get a little more information. But yesterday we didn't address the fact that about half the machines are shut off, but there's still plenty to play.
Yeah.
And the bathroom stalls, every other stall is locked off. And it
They
even
do the same thing with the urinals. They have some very nice looking
Oh, do
clear
they?
screens over those things. It's the most refined method of closing off every other of those things that I have experienced.
talked about in the food court that the fountain machines are completely covered and turned off. They actually go around and spray the machines and the seats periodically, because there was a time last night where we both had to get up from our seats and let them spray. So they have this little, looks like a insect spray machine.
Yeah, it's a I know it's an electrostatic sprayer where they atomize the disinfectant along with some water diluted in it, and then they spray it, and it kind of wraps around surfaces and whatnot. So it's a fairly advanced way of
Sanitizing.
disinfecting.
Yeah. They have
They were
hand
kind of brief with it though.
Yeah, they go by really, really fast.
Yeah, they probably could have spent a little more time with that.
They have plenty of sanitizing thingamajiggies, you know, stick your hand under.
These things.
Stick your hand under. They also have sanitizing wipes that down on the floor. I almost missed them.
Yeah, they don't really.
I mean, I saw some people using them.
You kind of. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You kind of have to like figure out that they're there.
Yeah.
They don't exactly advertise them, but they were there. The big bucket stuff.
Yeah,
so.
because it looked more like something that employees would use. But then I saw another. A couple with them, and then I saw, because they're different, they're like green or blue or something. But anyway, so they have those, and I think that's it. So they're really doing a pretty good job. The hand dryers are off in the bathroom. You have to use paper towels.
From the 2 visits we've made to casinos during all this fun, here and the other Harrah's Cherokee.
Wait, the best thing, the no smoking.
Oh God, that was wonderful.
So people can't smoke because you have to have your mask on. Oh, and you're not allowed to have food, which like the other, I don't know if that's just here or if it's a temporary thing, but I know I've had food on the floor at the big Cherokee casino, or if it's just because they don't want you eating. They'll let you drink, but you can't eat. But anyway, the no smoking is amazing.
Can we rewind? So
okay, now you can finish your.
What I was talking about.
What were you talking about?
The 2 places we've gone, here and the other Harrah's Cherokee, there seemed to be a much greater percentage of people who actually were wearing masks at all time here versus the bigger casino in Cherokee. I saw a lot more people walking around defiant of the rules.
I only saw the one woman in the elevator without a mask.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, on the floor, I don't think I ever saw anybody. And that was not the case at the other one. So, you know, kudos to these guys for doing that.
Yeah. This one's further away. This one's a little over 2 hours for us. The other casino is about 1.25 hours. So that's why we always go to the other one. Actually, because we didn't know this one existed.
Yeah, we
told that story yesterday.
Yeah, we figured that out this week.
Yeah, but we'll definitely be back to this one.
Yeah. I like the little bit smaller feel of it, but you still don't feel limited. Well, we don't feel limited with the number of games available and whatnot out there. There was plenty for us to do, and it was a less confusing floor than the other.
You can get lost and turn around.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
At the other one.
Yeah.
Even as many times as we've gone, every now and then, if it's been a while since we've been there, we're like, whoa, wait a minute, where are we?
Room smelled clean.
Yeah, the rooms were nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
we would we recommend it. We'd be back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a couple more stops to make before we go home. One of them is very unusual, so stay tuned.